YouTube, it's your Nisha J, and I'm back with another video. And today I'm going to be showing you a quick little small video on a hairstyle that I like to do. But before we get into that, if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you do not miss an upload. And also please give this video a big thumbs up. And yeah, so if you want to see how I achieve this low side messy bun, whatever you call it, hairstyle, then please keep on watching. I'm gonna go ahead and start by taking my hair out of this messy big ball of a bun. And FYI y'all, my hair is mad long. Like y'all will see when I brush all of this out, you're gonna see how long it is. And you're gonna see why I always keep my hair up in a plain, regular, old, messy bun. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my hair with this olive oil Nourishing Sheen spray. It has coconut oil in it. Spray it like this. And I'm gonna go ahead and brush it out with this little brush. My hair sounds so crispy. Okay, I brushed my hair out, and look how long my hair is, y'all. I gotta stand on top of the bathtub thing so y'all can see how long it is. Alright, so next I'm gonna be applying this L'Oreal Elvive Dream Lengths Frizz Killer Serum. It's a leave-in serum, and it's also a heat protectant spray, or heat protectant serum too. I got this from a drugstore. Put however many pumps you want in your hair. Alright, next I'm going to be taking this edge brush that I got from Walmart. It has a little fine pointy end, rat tail end at the end. Instead of, you can use a comb if you want, a rat tail comb, but I prefer this because it's nice and sharp. And I'm going to go ahead and do my part. You can do a diagonal part, you can do a straight part, you can put it in the middle, the part in the middle of your head like here. You can do whatever kind of part you want, but this is what I'm doing for today. So you want to get it as straight as possible so then it looks nice. And then what I do is I take like this spray bottle with water and whatever the rest of this is, which is a leave-in treatment conditioner thing. Next I'm going to take this brush again and I take the parts that I wet with the spray bottle and brush them out. Then I take my awesome Eco Styler gel. It's the olive oil kind. Put some on my finger like that because I don't want the gel to go inside my fingernail. And I just apply it to the areas that I sprayed with the water. And to make it even more smooth, you just take a little comb and comb it out. Then I take this thick rubber band, or you can take any type of rubber band scrunchie that you want. You can tie your hair back. Since I'm doing the little messy side low bun, tying my ponytail to the side. And make sure you brush it out again, just to make sure, like I said, it's nice and smooth. Oh my gosh, you guys, like, I need a refill for my nails, obviously, because look, and plus the hair keeps getting caught in here because they're kind of lifted now, so yeah, don't try to come for me for my nails. I know I need a refill, okay? Alright, now I'm gonna use this again because my hair is feeling pretty dry. I'm gonna spray it all back here in the ponytail. I have a really, really long ponytail. Then what I'm going to do is take another rubber band and I'm going to tie this into a bun. You can tie it into a bun like that, or you can wrap your hair around, get around, like that. If you want to make it nice and fat and thick, you just pull the hair apart You just pull the bun apart. And your bun doesn't have to be perfect because obviously this is supposed to be like a side bun, messy bun type of hairstyle, right? Okay, so next, what you want to do is take your edge brush or whatever brush you have, even if it's a toothbrush, and you comb out your edges. Now you apply some Eco Styler gel to your edges. Just don't put too much yet. Do it just like that. Well, y'all, I decided to use a toothbrush because the other brush just wasn't happening. So just, you know, make the little swoop like that. If you ever redo it, then that's okay. Practice makes perfect, they say. Then I go down here and do the same. And brush it into my hair. And if you have any leftover gel that's still left on your fingers, you can just go ahead and touch up your edges and everything else. I don't do my sideburns. If I do my sideburns, if anything, then I'll like, you know, have them curled, like one curl coming home from each side, but I'm not doing that today. And then what I like to do is go back with my brush out the sides, make sure that it's smooth enough for me. Then I take this Garnier Fructis style Sleek and Shine hairspray. It's a 24-hold anti-humidity spray, and I'll spray the front parts where I put the gel at. Then I'll go back in with the brush and brush that out so it can be evenly distributed throughout my hair. And there you have it, guys, your low side messy bun, whatever you want to call it. And if you don't want it messy, then you can just call it your low side bun with the part. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you all hit that thumbs up button for this video. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Missing someone.